Hello everyone, let's learn how to remove cameos on Snapchat. Are you tired of those unwanted or embarrassing cameos that have taken over your favorite snaps? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Snapchat app on your device. After that, we will go on chats by tapping on little icon and bottom of screen or swipe to right. Next, go to chat with someone you want. Then when you do that, you need to click on little smile icon to open menu with emoji. Next, go on third icon, this little head with star, that icon will send you on menu with cameos. Now you can see a lot of cameos, and if you want to change it, go to long press on any cameos, and you can add cameos to favorite, or you can change selfie on cameos, but if you want to delete cameos, go back on your profile. Next, you need to click on settings little icon in top right corner of screen. After that, you can see a cameos option and open it. Now you have a couple option for your cameos, but you need to click on this last with red letters, clear my cameos selfie, and confirm you want it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.